Was that Lisa imitation there for a second?
No, I love you, but I hate this fucking toy.
You seem to really enjoy yourself, actually.
Fuck no! Does it look like I'm enjoying myself?
Actually, yeah.
Actually, there's no manly characters in this game. They're all like pink marshmallows and fairies.
Fox and Mark.
Fucking fairies.
Who's Mark?
Ugh, no, I'm gonna be a... no. No. I'm gonna be a fucking pink marshmallow and be goddamn proud of it.
You gotta change it back to...
Stop changing me to a computer! Player 1 is going to be something. Bam! Kirby! Bring it on, wingman! I'm gonna fly your ass all over the place. Damn it! Damn it. I'm like speeding up shit. I like to ride my car on this.
On a distant flash.
We can do that one.
What was that?
Wrong.
You mean the car that Kirby doesn't have?
Yeah! Bam! Oh, shit, you can fly. So
Can you
high.